Welcome to Health Hustle Academy, where we optimize everything from your workouts to the way you breathe. Yep, how you breathe might be the missing link in your energy, sleep, and even your face shape. Let's break down nasal versus mouth breathing, why it matters more than you think, and how to fix it fast. Mouth breathing is what most people default to, especially when stressed, sleeping, or working out. But nasal breathing is how we're designed to breathe. Here's why. Your nose filters, humidifies, and warms the air. It boosts nitric oxide, which improves oxygen delivery to your cells. It lowers cortisol, calms your nervous system, and sharpens focus. It improves jaw and facial development, especially in kids. Mouth breathing, well, it leads to poor sleep, brain fog, dry mouth, snoring, and even anxiety. Chronic mouth breathing can lead to sleep apnea, fatigue and poor recovery, brain fog, increased risk of cavities and gum disease, poor oxygenation to your muscles during exercise, and changes to your facial structure like a narrow jaw, receding chin, and crooked teeth. And if you snore or wake up groggy, you're probably mouth breathing at night. The good news? You can retrain your body to breathe the way it's meant to. Here's how. Train yourself to breathe through your nose during the day. Use nasal strips, consciously close your mouth and breathe slowly, especially when walking or working. Mouth tape at night, yes, it's a thing. A small strip of mouth tape at night encourages nasal breathing and can improve sleep and energy almost overnight. Clean your nose daily. Use a saline spray or neti pot to keep nasal passages clear, especially if you have allergies or congestion. Practice breathwork. Box breathing, 4-7-8, and Buteyko breathing all train better control. Inhale through the nose, exhale slow, use cold exposure. Cold showers or ice baths help train better breath control and naturally push you into nasal breathing. Nasal breathing equals better energy, better sleep, better health. And the best part, it's completely free. Drop a comment if you've tried mouth taping or breath work. Subscribe and visit healthhustleacademy.com for more free ways to fuel your performance naturally. Please check our new products. All the links are below in the description. Breathe better, live stronger, stay hustling.